Hey friends, today we are learning about relative pronouns. These connect parts of a sentence together. So let's get started with a definition. The definition is a relative pronoun introduces a clause that gives more information about the noun. Alright, and here's a list for you of the relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, and that. So let's take some examples. The student who studies hard will pass. Okay. The second one, this is the cake that I baked. Third one, the artist whose work I love is here. All right, so let's try to explain the first example. The student who studies hard will pass. Okay, so as we mentioned in the definition, that the relative pronoun introduces more information about the noun. If we take just the noun of the first example, the student, okay, but it makes no sense. Okay, the student what? Who? You have no idea. So the relative pronoun who introduces more information about the student here. So the student who studies hard will pass. The same thing with example number 2. This is the cake that I baked. All right. When I say this is the cake and stop. Okay, this is the cake what? You have no idea what I'm talking about, right? When I say this is the cake that I baked. So I baked. So the relative pronoun that here introduced more information about the cake I'm talking about, right? The third example, the artist whose work I love is here. If I say the artist and stop, okay, the artist, who's that? What are you talking about? No idea. But when I complete the sentence, whose work I love is here. So whose, a relative pronoun, introduced more information about the artist. So the artist whose work I love is here. All right. So try to practice more and more in order to have like a full comprehension of the topic. So try to write down this note. These pronouns do not ask questions. No, they don't ask questions at all. They connect ideas together. All right? So here's a quick practice for you. The first one, she is the girl blank won the contest. Second one, the dog blank barked is mine. Okay, take some time and think about them. All right, so the first one should be answered with the pronoun who. She is the girl who won the contest. The second one, the dog that barked is mine. All right, so here's a quick tip for you also from me, because I know it's kind of like confusing for you, this lesson. Try to have more examples and practice more and more and think about them. And the main thing I want to highlight here is these pronouns do not ask questions. These connect ideas together. Don't get confused with the other pronouns, okay? That's all for today's lesson, and thank you for watching.